Hi, I'm Dr. Lillard. I'm sure you're well aware that there can be quite a bit to navigate in a chemistry course, and sometimes this can bring up feelings of uncertainty. Today's message offers some thoughts about trusting the learning process, trusting yourself, and trusting me. So first, trust in your ability. You have established the foundation based on what we've learned in this class so far. That network of information, those patterns that you're starting to recognize. If you feel that this foundation could be stronger, try to identify where you're still feeling unsure so that you can strengthen those areas either by yourself or with help. Know and trust that you are able to do this. Trust in the truth of what you know and what you don't know. As we cover the concepts and lay out the strategies to solve the problems, trust that you will be honest with yourself. Is there any part of a problem or a topic that you still feel is a little bit challenging? Or maybe you still feel that it's really challenging. Sometimes our tendencies are to skip past those parts, and I'm asking you not to. Trust that it's okay to ask for help. And trust me. Know that I expect you to ask questions and that you should never apologize for that. Maybe you just need a quick clarification, or maybe you need a more detailed explanation because something just isn't sinking in. Both of those are worth my time. Trust that all of this is worthwhile. Learning about atoms and molecules and what they do, interacting with one another in our chemistry community, gaining strength as students and as learners, challenging ourselves with some critical thinking, and finally, see if you can trust, really trust, that I support you. I will see you next time.